we're going to show you how to find your student pairing codes. So from your Google Apps, you're going to get into Canvas. That will pop up to your dashboard, and you will click on whatever class you are trying to find the pairing codes for. So I'm just going to click on one of these classes here. And because it is auto-populated by PowerSchool, you are going to scroll down in the course navigation on the left until you see People, and I'm going to click People. Up here in the top right-hand corner, there are 3 dots, and you can actually export pairing codes from here. So from the People page, the 3 dots in the top right, it says Export Pairing Codes. And so when I do that, that exports those pairing codes to a Google, not a Google, but a Microsoft Excel sheet. And I can look at the pairing codes from here. And so I could actually, if I wanted to, make these a little bigger. And then I could print this and cut these out for each individual student. Now these show you that they expire next week at the same time because they only last 7 days. They either last 7 days or until someone uses them. So if somebody used the code, I would have to generate another code for that student for somebody else to sign up, or the student could generate another code. But this is just one way to easily and quickly get all your students' pairing codes at one time. I'm going to not save that for myself. Another way, if I'm just looking for one student, I can go to that student and I can click on the 3. So like I'm looking at Emily Cook, I go to the 3 dots and I hit User Details. And then over here to the right where it says Pair with Observer, I can click that, and that is Emily's code. And that's another way that I can get to an individual student if I only need one. And that is how you find your pairing codes in Canvas for your students.